Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sum a column or row in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open Google Sheets. So next we're going to insert a formula, so that's how we sum it up. So under total section we're going to insert equal to sum, then we're going to open parentheses, then we're going to insert the column we want to add up. So it's already gave us the columns we want to add. So to add up the next column, what we have to do is copy this one by clicking on Control and C, then pasting it here, which is Control and V. So all you have to do is paste it. So it's going to copy that formula and paste it there for you. So as you can see, we summed it up. Same thing for the rows as well. We're going to insert the formula equal to sum. Then we're going to insert the row. Then again, we're going to copy it and paste it downwards. So as you can see, it's going to give us the sum of the row as well. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.